the clients that get to the proposal stage, we still lose about a quarter. People who just aren't comfortable working this way. And that's okay. So just to give you an example, this is an email from a prospective client we had that decided not to pursue the project with us. This is to Greg, one of our co-founders. They said, I really appreciate your interest in the project and the time you and your team put into the proposals, but the projected costs and open-ended structure just don't work for this project. I'll certainly keep PromptWorks in mind for the future, particularly if we get a project that would benefit more from the cooperative/iterative design process that you proposed. So they didn't want to go for it. And there can be several reasons for this. Sometimes price is too high. He just mentioned price, so maybe we're just too expensive for them, and that's okay. Sometimes we just can't win them over on the Agile approach. And here he's saying that he didn't think it fit the project. From our perspective, it did. It was a project that involved tying together different sort of legacy systems and writing some new code. There was a lot of potential for sort of discovery in there as you went and trying to learn how all these pieces fit together. So from our perspective, it did look like a good fit. So there can be multiple things sort of going on here. Some who are used to working in the sort of fixed scope and price way, some actually may just prefer the lower level of day-to-day client engagement that goes with, often goes with those kinds of contracts. And some just remain very attached to the feeling of security and familiarity with the fixed price and scope contracts. Or there are often cases where maybe they like everything that we're saying, but if they're in a large, complex organization, they may simply face insurmountable bureaucratic obstacles to accepting a time and materials contract.